Mag-practice ka na.
Opo, kuya. Hindi po talaga marunong mag-English. Ano po yung darating ko, kuya?
Will arrive.
Will arrive?
Will
arrive.
arrive.
Arrive. Will arrive.
Oh, repeat after me.
Repeat after me.
Sumunod ka.
Opo, sumunod.
My fellow
housemate.
I have some news. Good news. The two girls we saw last night are coming today. Ulitin mo.
Fellow housemate.
Fellow. Kaya mo na.
Kaya na ba, kuya?
Tipurin mo na ang mga boys sa boys bedroom.
Opo, kuya.
Tapos pagplanuhan nyo na ito.
Opo.
Good luck.
No, thank you, kuya. Love you.
Paglabas ng confession room, agad tinipon ni Yong ang mga boys.
English, bye! Patay na!
Huh?
English!
Huh?
English.
Huh?
English, talk.
You really?
Patay na. My two pillows. Oh, good. My two pillows. Oh, huh?
Pillows?
No!
Two guys? Two girls? Visitor?
My two people are very, very goodness. Two girls.
Two girls.
They're coming today.
Now?
Now?
Yes.
Paano natin yun? Welcome to Big Brother House.
Brazilian. Ilang sandali pa, naging abala na ang lahat sa paghahanda para sa pag-welcome sa mga bisita. Habang abala ang housemate sa loob ng bahay, kausap na ni Kuya ang kanyang magiging house players.
Welcome to the Pinoy Big Brother house.
Thank you so much.
Gracias. Muchas gracias.
You can call me Kuya.
Kuya. Thank you, Kuya.
Can you introduce yourselves to me?
My name is Stephanie.
And my name is Maria. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Brazil.
I'm 19, from Brazil also.
Pleased to meet you, Stephanie and Maria.
Nice to meet you
too.
Girls, I've invited you for a very special reason. This week, the girl teen housemates will be participating in a beauty contest. And I want to test them. And your task is to make the housemates believe that you are part of Big Brother Brazil and that you have been sent here to participate in the Miss Teen Big Brother. House players Stephanie and Marie, get ready to enter my house. Good luck.
Thank you.
Sa loob ng bahay, handang-handa na sa pagsalubong ang housemates.
First thing we say, good evening, all of us. First thing we say.
Good evening. Welcome
Good evening. Welcome to Pinoy Big Brother house.
Okay.
Ilang sandali pa,
Good evening. Welcome to Pinoy Big Brother house. Miss Maria and Miss Stephanie.
Pagbukas ko yun ng door, I was like, oh my gosh, they are so beautiful. They're like real life Barbie dolls. Oh my God. Sa video, kuya, nakita namin parang wala lang siya. Kasi napakalaki yung t-shirt niya. Patay na, kuya, tapos sobrang taas. Hi, Maria, nice to meet you.
Tangos na nilang, kuya, pag nakaharap ko yan, ha? Ito yung mata, kuya.
Wait, okay. My case is Ivory or Zivory?
Perfect.
You guys! Like that. Oh my God!
basta sobrang naganda na ako sa kanila.
Oh my God! Thank you so much! Oh my gosh, you guys are so much better than the mates. You guys are gonna show us that? Yeah.
Hindi mawala yung kwata ko sa kanila kasi sobrang ganda nila, kuya. Tapos sobrang jolly nila.
Oh, diba? So cute! I'm very sorry for the brand. Yes, I'm very sorry, Mom. It's just like, it's okay. I'm a girl. Yeah.
Ang teen housemates patuloy na nakikipag-bonding sa mga bisita nila.
It is our first time in the Philippines, so I'm trying to get used to everything. I don't know, because we just came straight here.
Yeah, I didn't.
Yeah, like they blindfolded us, and I was just so nervous because we can see each other, right?
Well, both of them, they were both beautiful. They seemed like